In this tutorial, you will learn how to record manure applications to an advanced field in the Manure Tracker app. Make sure you have watched the previous video on getting started and setting up fields with the Manure Tracker app before continuing. Open up the Manure Tracker app and go to your field list. Choose an advanced field to add an application to. Enter the spreader volume in tons for solid applications, or per 1,000 gallons for liquid applications. You can also enter the spreading rate per acre here. Then select the manure source type from the list of available sources here. You should have either solid or liquid manure choices based on the manure type you chose when making the field. You can add a custom manure source by clicking on the plus sign in the upper right-hand corner and typing in its name. This manure source will now appear for all future applications for all fields. For an advanced field, choose the driver of the spreader by clicking on Driver. Add a name for the driver by clicking on the plus sign in the upper right-hand corner, and enter a name in the text box. Once entered, the name will appear on the list for all fields. Then choose the application method and soil condition at time of application. You can choose whether the soil was unsaturated with water, saturated, dry, covered in snow, or frozen. Next, enter the weather conditions on the day of application by selecting whether conditions were wet or dry, and entering the air temperature at the time of application. Add any notes if needed, and select Save Application. Click this as many times as needed to record all applications of this type. Application history can be viewed by clicking here. The date of application will automatically be set to today's date. Now if you go back to the field list, you can see the field you just edited with its number of applications. If you click the plus sign, you can add another application identical to the one you just created. Otherwise, if you want to add another application of a different type, simply click on the field to get back to the new application screen. This is the end of the tutorial on recording manure applications to advanced fields in the Manure Tracker app.